Creative practice does not have to be hard, and you don't have to turn your life upside down. Do you ever feel like you have to carve out a gigantic chunk of your day or your weekend in order to make something or have a creative practice? Try this. Instead of trying to set aside a large chunk of time, which no one really has, try instead breaking it down into little daily nuggets. Perhaps you don't even have a solid 45-minute block in order to write something, but maybe you have 10 minutes today? And maybe you have 10 minutes tomorrow? 5 days of just 10 minutes a day more than covers that 45 minutes you were trying to find in the first place. Starting from scratch is hard. Too hard. There is nothing scarier than that metaphorical blank canvas. When you're staring at that blinking cursor, even doing the laundry sounds so much better. If you're making something that can't be finished in one session, try leaving off your session in the middle of a task that you know you can easily finish. That way it'll give you a running start when you next come back to it. For instance, for writers, instead of writing all the way to the end of a section or a paragraph, instead start a sentence, write a few words, and then leave it, knowing that next time you sit down, you will easily be able to finish that sentence and it will propel you forward into the rest of your creative practice. Going from nothing to a final product is super daunting and never happens quickly, no matter how many hacks you throw at it. What if instead of looking at the goal line from the starting line, you only look at your next step? Memorizing an entire show sounds super daunting, but I bet you could memorize just one song today. You can even schedule out the steps you need to take throughout the length of time you have for the whole task, and then everything seems so much more doable. As my friend and amazing coach Amanda Wheeler, aka Wheels, would say, just focus on getting the first down. You get enough of those and you will get a touchdown. Okay, I hear you. You have a lot of creative projects and goals and you want to get them all at least started and going, right? Well, try the 1% rule. If you're anything like me, you have a whole bunch of creative projects in the works at any given time, with various deadlines of different sizes. To make it all more manageable, try telling yourself that all you need to do on any given day is just get 1% better or further along on any one project. 1% on one project. That 1% will add up super quickly, even if it's spread across multiple projects. By the way, if you're getting some value out of these tips, I'd love if you'd give the video a little like. It helps spread this information to more people. Thank you. Set a good morning routine that helps prepare you for your day. Nothing can kill creativity faster than a morning full of phone scrolling and grogginess and uncertainty about the day. If you want to be creative, you've got to get yourself in the right frame of mind, and the best way to do that is with a good, solid, consistent morning routine. I've actually got a bonus 7th tip for you. It was kind of hard to contain myself, so do make sure to stick around to the end. Give yourself grace. Not every day will be great, and sometimes you will fall short of what you intended to do, and that's okay. The last thing your creativity needs is for you to spiral and lose your daily practice because you simply missed one day. Instead, focus on creating tomorrow. There's always another day coming for you to move the needle forward on your creative practice. And here's that bonus. Maybe what is standing in the way of your creativity is the people you surround yourself with. If you want to know if that could be your biggest block and what to do about it, make sure to watch this video next. Otherwise, thank you all for being here with me today, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers!